and welcome to English 102, College Reading and Composition 2. And I'm going to give you my usual spiel at the beginning of the semester. If you're a past student of mine, you already know it. The statement of my pedagogy, how I teach. So you can just ignore it and go right into the classroom, into everything we're going to do if you've heard this before. But let me start it, okay? So my first question, who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, a.k.a. Nunu, and I'm not your boss. I'm not God. I'm your friendly teacher guide. And who are you? You're my student. That's true. We work together. I teach you. And that means you're my teacher. You teach me how to teach you. So you're my collaborator. And here is a great truism, a great truth about the teaching learning process. Without each other's help, we will not be successful in this course. We teach each other. There's one red apple for me, but there's another one for you. You're going to come up with ideas that I won't come up with. I might come up with some ideas you don't come up with, and we're going to work together in this literature course to have fun and to learn meaningful things, and we're going to learn from each other and work together. Okay, let's go into our actual class and find out what that's all about. And here we are in it, English 102, College Reading and Composition 2, and we are here in Home. And over here in the left menu, you'll notice that I have very few tabs, and why is that? I don't like a big long list of tabs in the left menu because I think it's confusing and unnecessary. So let me describe all of these tabs, what they do. Home, think of home like that bulletin board we had when we were little and we walked into our teachers' classrooms. It was pretty cool. It had useful information on it and decoration, and that's what I have here in Home on our bulletin board. Up at the top, I have this cool animation with the word pulchritudinous, which is an adjective, and it means having great physical beauty and appeal, breathtakingly comely and attractive. And here is a pronunciation of the word pulchritude here. And why do I have pulchritudinous and pulchritude on our bulletin board? It's because it relates to the class theme. We're going to deal with how people view pulchritude, how we as a society view pulchritude, pulchritudinous people, how important they are to us, which is reflected in our literature. Okay, now here on our bulletin board, I also have a link to week 1 in modules, August 26th through the 30th, 2019, which is an FAQ quiz, frequently asked questions, and a literary terms quiz you'll complete. This is a link to modules. Now, modules is over here in the left menu, and it's the Bible to our classroom. It has everything we need. We're essentially a one-tab classroom. Now, I have this link to modules here, but up in this corner, we have a to-do list. So why have I created 2 links? Because you could click on this. I think this to-do list is kind of busy, and I like to simplify things. I think everything is better if it's simple. Not simplistic, but simple. So here is our link to modules, and I'm going to click on this handy link here. And it takes us into everything we're going to do this semester. It's all listed here. It's all accessible to you. And by clicking on that link, I came into week 1 and the assignments we're doing. Okay, I'm going to click back on our home on our bulletin board, and I'm going to skip modules because you've seen it, and I'm going to take you into our next link, which is the syllabus. Because I like to keep things simple, I don't believe in having a huge long syllabus, so I break the syllabus into bite-sized pieces right here, and all the information you need, it's right here. And what's especially important is number 11, DSPNS and ADA rights. If you have a learning disability or ability, as I like to think of it, you learn differently from other people. Here's information to you that will be very useful. Okay, let me click back on syllabus. and take you through that entire page here. Here is my contact information, my office hours, all the different ways to reach me via Skype, coming into my office, calling me up on the phone, hello, all of those things, and of course my communications policy, and a big long list of all the assignments we'll do in date order. Okay. So after the syllabus, we have grades. I'm not going to click on it because there's nothing there yet. And grades is super important to you because in grades, you're going to have all the notes I'll give you for your assignment. Always click on an assignment in grades after I've returned it to you and read my notes to you and learn your grade there. Okay, I also have Canvas tutorials here, which are self-explanatory. If you're new to Canvas, everything you need to know is right here. And I have a link to Office 365, which is pretty cool. It has apps like Word and PowerPoint, everything you need in this classroom, and you can use them for free online. Okay, so I am going to come back here to home, to our bulletin board, because there's one last item I didn't show you, some useful information, and it's workshopping the essay, and this is my grading policy in the class that you'll want to click on and read. I also have Canvas Help, the 24/7 helpline, and the Canvas Student Guide. All right, so I look forward to working with you, to getting to know you, to collaborating with you in this teaching learning process that goes both ways. All right, let's have a good semester, and if you have any questions or concerns, a quick way to reach me is inbox. I care about your learning. I'm here. You're never emailing me too much. You're never bothering me by asking me to guide you. I'm honored. All right, so let's get going with our first week.